Hey guys, I'm so excited with today's video. I've been vegan for 3 years, and many people ask me, what do you usually eat? Is it hard to be vegan? For me, it was difficult the first few weeks, until I discovered new products and substitutes. After that, you just have to be creative and diversify your menu as much as possible. So in today's video, I want to show you a menu for one of my days. Of course, I don't eat the same food every day, but what I include in this menu, I eat pretty much often. So let's begin. For breakfast, I usually eat something with lots of fruits and nuts. This time I'm gonna have almond yogurt with granola, fruits and berries. I'm gonna slice one banana, then cut into cubes one mango. Transfer everything to a bowl, add unsweetened almond yogurt, top with homemade granola. By the way, I will link this granola recipe below, so you can check it after this video. Then I'm gonna add to a bowl sliced strawberries, some blueberries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. And here you have my simple and delicious breakfast. For lunch I'm gonna make today buckwheat with shiitake mushrooms. First we're gonna wash thoroughly 1 cup of buckwheat groats. It's better to do in a large bowl, so the buckwheat will be clean for sure. Then in a pan I'm gonna add 2 cups of filtered water and bring it to a boil. Once it's shimmering, I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of sea salt and carefully transfer buckwheat. Cover with the lid and cook over medium heat about 20 minutes or until all water evaporates. Meanwhile, we're gonna cook shiitake mushrooms. For that I'm gonna slice a half of medium onion. Add onion to a pan on a medium heat with a bit of oil and cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a few cloves of sliced garlic and cook until golden. Meanwhile, wash the mushrooms thoroughly and remove all the stems. Then I'm gonna slice them and add to a pan and mix with the onion. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once mushrooms release the liquid, it's the best time for seasoning. I'm gonna add just salt and pepper, as I love the taste of shiitake mushrooms itself. Cook for a few more minutes. In addition to the buckwheat and mushrooms, I'm gonna make some simple salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, radishes and chopped parsley, and dress it with sunflower oil. I assure you, it's the best simple salad ever. By this time, all the water in the buckwheat is evaporated and it's ready to serve. Buckwheat is loaded up on lots of nutrients and minerals. You can make your own research about it, but I assure you, it's super beneficial for your health. For the dinner, I'm gonna roast Japanese sweet potato and make kale salad with cashew dressing. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First I'm gonna wash and peel 2 Japanese sweet potatoes. Then I'm gonna cut them into small cubes. Drizzle with olive oil, add half a teaspoon of each oregano, Italian seasoning, thyme, add a few twists of salt and pepper. Mix it well so all the cubes are evenly coated with seasoning. In a single layer, transfer potato to a baking tray. Hold it with a foil and make a small holes to let the steam comes out. Bake it for about 20 minutes or until soft. After that, unfold it and broil for another 10 minutes to make it golden brown. Meanwhile, I'm gonna soak half a cup of raw unsalted cashews in a warm water for about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna prepare the salad. For that I'm gonna remove kale stems and chop the kale. Add to kale a bit of olive oil and massage it. Then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It will help kale to soften. Then I'm gonna slice cucumbers, grate tomatoes, a half of bell pepper and add everything to a bowl. At this point I'm gonna prepare the dressing. In a blender I'm gonna combine soaked and rinsed cashews, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a few twists of black pepper, juice of a half lemon, and a 1/4 cup of filtered water. Blend until smooth. By this time, our sweet potato is soft, golden and tasty. Transfer it to a bowl with the salad and pour over the creamy cashew dressing. So here is my dinner for today. Most of the time for dinner I eat salads with different beans, legumes or pasta. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to share with you my daily menus and give you some new ideas. See you next time. Bye!